specific parts of an image without requiring manual layer selection or masking. For example, Google's Nano Banana, part of the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, is an exciting AI tool that makes creating and editing images super easy and fun, even if you're not a design expert. Imagine you have a plain photo of a cake, and you want to make it look like it's on a fancy table in a Paris cafe. With Nano Banana, you just type a simple instruction like, "Place this cake on a chic cafe table with the Eiffel Tower in the background at sunset." The AI transforms the image in seconds, keeping the cake's details perfect while adding a vibrant, realistic background. Whether you're designing a menu, creating art for a blog, or just having fun with family photos, Nano Banana's easy prompts and hyper-realistic edits make your ideas come to life effortlessly. Nano Banana unlocks a world of stunning visuals for your content. Oh, join us, won't you? Let's dive in together and explore the incredible features of Nano Banana AI that will truly transform your creations forever. 1. Mask-free editing. Edit specific parts of an image without requiring manual layer selection or masking. For example, upload an image of a modest family dining at a luxurious restaurant. Write prompt, text. Remove the meal or glass from the table and add a birthday cake. Nano Banana remove the meal and glass cleanly and places a birthday cake in the center, blending it naturally with the table's texture and lighting. Useful for product placement or staging photos for e-commerce. 2. Photo restoration and enhancement. Restores old, damaged, or blurry photos by enhancing details, colors, and clarity. Upload a low-quality image, and Nano Banana reconstructs missing details or sharpens the image. For example, upload a faded photo of a family in a Pakistani village. Write text prompt, restore the photo, enhance colors, and sharpen details. Nano Banana restores the photo, making the family's traditional attire vibrant, sharpening facial features, and correcting faded colors. It's special to revive old memories or improves low-resolution images for professional use. 3. Advanced prompt understanding. Interprets complex, multi-step text prompts with high accuracy, including cultural or nuanced instructions. The AI's natural language processing analyzes detailed prompts to deliver contextually accurate results. For example, write prompt. A young man in a sherwani standing in a decorated Islamabad wedding hall, holding red roses, with Qawwali singers in the background, cinematic style. Nano Banana generates an image with the man in a detailed sherwani, a rose in hand, and Qawwali singers performing in a festive hall, with cinematic lighting and depth. Perfect for creating culturally rich visuals for events or storytelling. 4. Batch processing. Generates or edits multiple image variations simultaneously, saving time for large projects. Input a single prompt, and Nano Banana creates multiple outputs with slight variations. For example, write prompt. Generate 4 variations of a product ad. A Pakistani chai cup on a wooden table, with backgrounds of a cafe, beach, mountain, and city. Photorealistic style. Nano Banana produces 4 images, each with the same chai cup but different backgrounds, maintaining consistent lighting and product details. Useful for creating multiple ad creatives or social media posts. Speeds up workflows for marketers or designers needing multiple options. Imagine capturing a cherished memory, like a faded photo of your grandmother's smile, and bringing it to life with Google's Nano Banana AI. With just a few words, you can place her in a vibrant Karachi garden filled with blooming roses, or recreate a family dinner under twinkling stars, all in breathtaking 4 Kelvin's clarity. This tool doesn't just edit images, it helps you tell stories, rekindle moments, and share love through every pixel. So, grab Nano Banana, pour your heart into your creations, and let your YouTube videos touch souls around the world. Start today, and make every memory a masterpiece.